But if you walk down Rainy Street late at night, you'll see the posters. You'll hear the stories. And if you stand at the edge of Lady Bird Lake, you might feel it too. That quiet pull, that lingering sense that something is waiting just beneath the surface. Tonight, as you rest, know that the city sleeps too. But some stories do not go quietly. They ripple outward like sound on water. They return again and again, no matter how many times we try to dismiss them. Lady Bird Lake remains still, but the mystery goes on. Good night, and sleep well.